So hey, we're on a Tesla solar roof job right now, and I just wanted to go over some of the parts and components that make up a Tesla solar roof. So as you can see right here, we already have the roof dried in with the Tesla underlayment. It has Tesla written on the cobalt underlayment right here. It's a Class A fire rated underlayment, peel and stick. This is the weatherization of the roof system. So it comprises of the underlayment, and you have some drip edges on the sides. After everything is dried in, then you install your perimeter flashing, which at the very bottom of the roof, there's a vented riser that goes down. It's perforated, so it allows air to go in and acts as an intake vent underneath the system. And then you have what's called a C-channel along the rakes, the edge of the roof. This is where the tiles will get cut and tucked into it to finish off the edge of the roof. So you can see down at the bottom here, we started with a metal tile. It was 23.5 inches. We cut it, we tucked it into the C-channel, we fastened it, and then we installed a PV active tile next to it, which blends in pretty seamlessly, right? They're both black. The only difference you can tell a little bit is the sheen. Metal is a different sheen than glass. So to the trained eye, you can, spot the difference certain times of day. You can actually see the sun glare a little bit more on the glass versus the metal. So it can kind of give you that difference in look at certain times of day, but otherwise it's very seamless. It's integrated, it's beautiful, it's solar roofing. The PV tiles get fastened next to the metal tiles, and then we'll continue running our course across the roof. We'll attach the cables together in a series of what's called a string. We'll test it out, make sure the voltage is the right measurement, it's the right reading, and then we'll continue installing the roof over top of the underlayment.